What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phonestein and this here is the Redmi 8A Dual. So this here is a brand new mobile and I just got it in hand. So let us unbox this bad boy and I will be giving my first impressions on this. So let us get started. Now this here is the official retail packaging of the Redmi 8A Dual in India. So opening the box, first we get a pamphlet, then we get the phone itself. Then moving further on, we get our charger with your USB-C cable. Yes, so this smartphone has USB-C. So let's see what is there in this device. So talking of the specs, this comes with a Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor. It has 3 GB of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512 GB with its dedicated micro SD card slot. It has a 6.2-inch HD Plus display. And as for the camera, you get a 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup where the 2 megapixel camera is the depth sensor and you have the 8 megapixel front facing camera inside the notch. And as for the battery, you have a huge 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery and it runs on Android Pie 9.0. Now upon taking the phone for the first time, the immediate thing that came into my mind was that this here is a very grippy smartphone. Yes, the texture on the back is amazing. Like it doesn't slide around here and there, and that's how good the grip on this here is. Now as for the display, this here is a 6.2-inch display and I thought it would be big and the phone would be wide, but to my surprise it is not that big or wide. So here is my OnePlus 5 for comparison. In fact, the OnePlus 5 is slightly wider than the Redmi 8A Dual. So when people look at the display, they might think this here is a very low resolution display, but in reality that is not the case here. Now when you initially take a look at the device, you will definitely think this here is a full HD display. Now that is great because you're paying only 7,000 rupees for this device and Xiaomi has provided a really nice LCD display. And another good thing is that this is a Gorilla Glass 5 protected display. Now not many devices under this price range provide Gorilla Glass. If they provide, it might be an older version of Gorilla Glass. So you're getting Gorilla Glass 5 and kudos to Xiaomi for making that implementation here. So if you guys want me to talk about the camera, I am going to make a separate video for that. So make sure you subscribe to watch that too. So upon booting up, the first thing that I notice is that the phone is pretty smooth. But that is just initial impressions and we have to wait till I use this extensively, like playing a lot of games, stressing the CPU, stressing out the GPU. So once we do that, we will definitely be able to find out how well this phone can handle your day-to-day tasks, be it gaming or anything related to work or entertainment. So apart from the display and how it feels, there are quite few useful things, like it has a USB-C port, so you do not have that old micro USB port lying around now. And you also have a headphone jack, which is quite an impressive feat in 2020. So as for my first impressions, I have to say I'm really surprised with what Xiaomi could do with this smartphone here. Now the true competitor to the Redmi 8A Dual is the Realme C3. So the Realme C3 is no joke either. So let's see how well the Redmi 8A Dual can compete against the Realme C3 and let's see which one will be the winner. So make sure you subscribe to Phonestein to see an in-depth gaming review and a dedicated review on the Redmi 8A, and possibly if I get my hands on the Realme C3, I will compare that to the Redmi 8A Dual. So make sure you subscribe to see that too. So thanks for watching and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.